Hey, sixth grade. Tegan and I are back. We're going to read Science Week 5 Resources. Earth's precious resources. What have you done since you woke up this morning? Chances are, no matter what you've done today, you've used electricity and fossil fuels in every step. First, maybe an alarm clock or radio woke you up. It was probably plugged into a wall using electricity. Then you turned on the light, electricity, and you went to the bathroom. You ran warm water to wash up. Your home's water heater is probably electric too. You opened your refrigerator, electric, to get some milk or juice, and maybe you used the microwave or the toaster, both electric, to make your breakfast. Then you got in the car or school bus, which used gasoline, and arrived at school, where the lights were on, the heat or air conditioner was running, and the computers and speakers were humming, all electric. As you can see, you use electricity and fossil fuels almost every minute of your life. Yes, even when you're asleep, the electricity is still running, keeping your house comfortable. When you think of all the energy you use and multiply it by the people on the earth, you start to see just how much energy the world needs. Where does all that energy come from? Go to page 4. How do we get it? Will it ever run out? This issue of Science Studies Weekly Endeavor will focus mostly on energy resources, but keep in mind there are lots of other resources that we need to use wisely. Water, for one, is a very precious resource. After all, it is necessary for all life on Earth. Water. You need it for all life on Earth. In fact, water is so important, the entire next issue of Endeavor is devoted to learning about water. Can you think of any others? What about soil and land? Or plants and animals and fish? Forests and oceans? Yes, those are resources too, and they shouldn't be mistreated or wasted. It's important to use Earth's resources wisely and to think of alternatives to use those resources. So alternatives means like another way to do something. So right now we're doing alternative learning rather than our normal in the classroom stuff. We don't want to run out of them someday. We should take care of our resources because Earth is the only home we have. STEM, bridging the computer science education gap. They say that anybody can learn, and they proved it 1 hour at a time. On December of 2013, the first Computer Science Education Week was simultaneously launched with a nonprofit organization called Code.org, we did that last year, and rocked the computer education world to its core. Code.org was founded with a vision of bringing the language of computer science to every student in the U.S., enthusiastically backed by President Obama, as well as members of Congress from both parties. Code.org paired up with its sister organization, Computing in the Core, CNC, to get the job done. The result? A fast, accessible, and powerful machine, just like the best computers. Code.org is a free website that offers fun and easy hour-long tutorials written by some of the best computer scientists in the field. Users can log in and learn basic algorithms, repeat loops, and conditionals necessary to write their own computer programs. So apart from being fun and easy, what's the big deal? In a word, jobs. Forecasters in the field predict by 2020, that's this year, there will be 1 million more computer science jobs than there are American college students. If CNC and Code.org have anything to say about it, we can narrow the gap. If you're interested, you can go to Code.org, and I think I still have your logins for it. Oh, wait, yeah, I was going to say you did that with Miss Larson, but I'm thinking of the 5th grade. Yeah, so if you want that info, just ask me for it, and I will look it up.